Hello everybody, this is the Midwest Fan Collector here, and I'm in Pennsylvania, and today I'll be showing you this, what is it, airflow ceiling fan?
Yeah.
From 2005. This is in a hotel room. It's not a bad looking fan, something you'd see in Florida. Alright, you want to demonstrate it, Colin?
Yeah, I'll turn the light off for the video.
We're starting off on low.
It's on the LCA for those of you who care.
Get a top shot of the fan.
And check the date. It's March of 05.
You want to get a medium?
It's the tag right there. I'll go and take that to medium for me.
Don't hit your hand on the blade. Alright, there's medium,
The blades
folks.
are kind of sagging a little bit. Also been in a hotel for 17 years.
Possibly.
It's from 2005, then yeah.
And the airflow's alright on the fan, nothing too special.
Turn it up to high.
Now we're going to crank her up to high.
There's probably a 172 millimeter motor in it.
I mean, it's not a bad airflow.
It's not.
I've seen better.
And let's shut it down.
Alright, we'll do a spin down on the fan.
This is pretty much just their cheaper Panama. It's funny how Casablanca copied their own fan. It is pretty much just a cheaper, very much cheaper Panama.
A poor man's Casablanca.
That's pretty much what airflow was. I'll just stop it for you.
Alrighty folks, I hope you enjoyed the video and more to come later.